Hello there, I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of Upkeep. In this video, we're going to take a deep dive into the world of maintenance management, particularly the benefits of going digital. We'll look at the problems of the traditional pen and paper methods and explore how a digital approach, particularly with a computerized maintenance management system, can revolutionize your workflow. So whether you're still stuck in the old ways or already exploring digital options, stay tuned. Are you still using pen and paper to manage your maintenance workflow? If so, you know how important it is to keep your equipment manuals and warranties highly organized and stored in a safe place. However, if you've made the smart move to a maintenance management platform like a computerized maintenance management system, you can store all these important documents directly in the system. Let's talk about both scenarios. First, if you haven't gone paperless yet, you need a solid filing system. This system must be both easily accessible and secure. You need to ensure that anything taken out is returned and protected from accidents. It's also crucial that these paper files are readily available to those who plan and perform maintenance tasks. This often means a lot of commuting between work sites and your document storage, which is why your filing system should ideally be centrally located. On the other hand, I would highly recommend a more modern approach. Most equipment manuals and warranties are available in PDF format, which means you can store them in an electronic database. There are many ways to do this, but it's crucial that your system is secure and accessible. This is where a computerized maintenance management system shines. It's a fantastic way to organize user manuals and warranties by asset. Just upload these documents to the Assets page in your program, and they're instantly available for anyone with access. Even better, if your computerized maintenance management system has a connected mobile app, maintenance technicians can access manuals right on site. But the benefits of using asset management software to store your warranties and manuals don't stop there. A web-based computerized maintenance management system safeguards all uploaded documents from loss. Even if your server or hard drive crashes, your documents will still be available online. Warranty information is easily accessed through a computer or app, so you can see what's covered while viewing a specific asset. Maintenance planning and scheduling becomes simpler since there's no need to rummage through drawers or shelves. And think about the space you'll save. If you go with a cloud-based program, your manuals won't take up any physical space at all. Plus, maintenance technicians can be more efficient as there's no need to provide them with physical operation manuals. This leads to improved schedule compliance. In essence, digital document storage, especially one that's integrated with maintenance management software, is by far the most efficient way to store your equipment documents. Just remember, switching over to a computerized maintenance management system will require you to train your maintenance staff in its use. But trust me, it can streamline your maintenance operations significantly in the long run. So why not make the switch and upgrade your maintenance workflow today? Thank you for watching. We've covered the benefits of going digital with your maintenance management, specifically the use of a computerized maintenance management system. We've compared the traditional pen and paper method to the modern digital approach and highlighted how it can revolutionize your workflow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. For more information, visit us at upkeep.com. We look forward to helping you upgrade your maintenance workflow